Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nils Achenbach, and I am graduating from the Advanced Product Design program this year. So 7 years ago, I decided that I wanted to become a designer because I am very interested in new technologies, and especially how we can transform these technologies into valuable product propositions that can solve real-world problems and challenges. And one of those challenges is that we live in an aging society, and it is expected that this will have a significant impact on our healthcare systems of tomorrow. And this challenge will also be compounded by other challenges, such as climate change, with rising temperatures and an increasing amount of heat waves around the globe. And when I was talking to caregiving experts in Germany and in Denmark during my research, I found out that hydration tracking for elderly individuals is one of the biggest burdens for healthcare specialists out there, especially in those hot summer months, because there are simply no solutions out there that caregivers could use. And keeping healthy hydration levels doesn't really seem like a big deal to us, but it definitely is for elderly individuals because they have a decreased sense of thirst. And if you read this quote, then you will notice that once they really notice that they are thirsty, it is already way too late. So there's definitely a need for dehydration detection systems. So the technology for this is already out there with electrochemical sweat analysis. But I found out that this technology is not really used for the true purpose, or could maybe even be applied in way more meaningful ways. Because right now it's only used for professional athletes for marathon tracking and hydration tracking during marathons or exercise. So I think we should kickstart this technology search with a non-invasive biomarker tracking that is non-stigmatizing in its design and also caters for various care settings. So in this project, I decided that I wanted to create a technology roadmap that starts by a solution that is doable with the technology of today, with the solution for senior care. And if we look further ahead, maybe 5, 10, 15 years ahead, as this technology evolves, how we can use this for self-care or hospital care. I decided to create this product for 2 different caregiving scenarios. Once where the patch is applied by the user himself or herself, and a version that is designed so it can be applied by an external caregiver. This has an elongated adhesion area that is slightly larger, so you can apply it on the side abdomen or maybe on the back if you want to. I decided to create a new graphical approach to representing hydration data and biomarker data that you can see on first glance. And this came also with a new care documentation system where caregivers can pair and allocate patches towards an individual patient profile. And if they want to, they can look into this hydration and electrolyte data to learn more about the patient's health. So they can, for example, see lactate, potassium, and sodium data in real time and continuously. So this project has shown me that I can trust my prototyping abilities and the human-centered design process to really transition those technologies into valuable product propositions that can solve real-world challenges and problems. This is the hydration check patch. My name is Nils Achenbach, and if you're interested in trying out some of the prototypes that I created for you, please make sure to visit us in the APD exhibition to learn more. Thank you very much for sharing this moment with us, and have a great evening. Thank you.
Amazing. Yeah, really nice, Nils. Thank you.